package from PSA. Let's see. So these cards are not, what do you call that? TCG. Lot 2 is okay. First return of the year, guys. I-grade dribble na natin sila agad para makita nyo na agad yung ano. So nag-arrive siya ngayong January 2. So lahat to is sports card, I think. Ay, hindi naman lahat, may TCG din. Pero yeah. Ano to? Ba't merong isang card dito? What the heck? Look, we have one card here. So unahin na natin to. Luka Doncic. So, ayan. PSA 8. Number to 41 to 99. Not bad guys. Not bad. Dito naman tayo sa marami. First natin dito is oh, so many. Puro TCG, NBA. Baba natin aperture. Ayan. First is ayan. First, the Black Obsidian PSA 9 Luka Doncic. Next, Dominance Holo Silver Luka Doncic. PSA 5 Donruss Marvels Luka Doncic. Puro Luka to ah. NBA Hoops Luka Doncic. High voltage Luka Doncic. Then Silver Prism Select pala. So base lang to guys. Rookie ni Luka. Lakers Panini Rookie Bronny James. Green Ninja. So yeah. I don't want this. I don't want this either. Tingnan. Marshadow PSA 9. Akin to guys. Dish Ash. Grabe, sayang to. Gusto ko pa man din to guys kasi ito lang yung tanging Pokemon card ni Ash Ketchum. So, Sun and Moon. Dalton Connect Signature Gem Mint 10. Eevee PSA 9. Mimikyu PSA 10. Let's go. Bulbasaur PSA 9. Bebenta ko na to. Another Eevee PSA 10. So, ayan guys. Next, Marvels Luka Doncic. And, hindi siya pantay lang yung PSA. Buisit. Baba ka, hindi, nakasild na kasi. Ayan guys. Si J and Hypen. Hindi siya sentro. Buisit na yan. Dunkin PSA 10. Nice one. The last is the 1 of 1 Giannis. So this is our thumbnail first. So yun lang guys. I hope you enjoyed my video. Ito is mga small opening for this month. So, more to come to PSA, to BGS, and many grading company. And I hope you enjoyed our video. Click that notification bell to keep you updated. And don't forget to like and subscribe. More PSA 10s to come. Let's go, guys. We can do this. 2026, be good to us. Let's go!